How to reset or recover your Facebook account or password if forgotten in 2023. So please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you will be updated if there are more updates and uploads on this channel. First, you're going to open our Facebook account. And once we have opened our Facebook account, go to the three lines above. And then in here, we are going to click on the gear icon for the settings and go to password and security. And we are here going to change password. And if you know your current password, just put it in so you can change and input your new password. But if not, you can click on the forgot password, and an email should be sent to your email account or a code that contains a code. So what you would do is go to your Gmail on your phone. So Gmail, open up your Gmail, and once you open up your Gmail, there should be an email that shows the code that was sent to you. And in there, go back to your Facebook account so you can see or you can input your code. So this is the code and continue. So if you have input the code, just continue and input your new password. You have also the option to log out your Facebook account in the other devices. So I hope this helped and see you on the next video.